One of the questions sa akin is bakit daw malaki ang bicep ko, triceps, at braso in general kahit tumatakbo naman ako ng tag 21 km half marathon. Diba nakaka-burn yun ng muscle? The answer is, nababurn lang yung muscle mo kung kulang ka sa calories at hindi ka nag-workout tulad ng sa gym. Pero if mahihain ka at hindi mo gustong mag-gym kasi alam mo na ayaw mo ma-judge, you can buy a pull-up bar to increase the back size or yung lats mo at yung dips, mampalaki ng yung triceps to have a fuller biceps katulad ko kahit tumatakbo ka. So if you're interested in purchasing such products, may Shopee affiliate link ako. Kung if you buy this product using my affiliate link, makaka-discount ka at a price sa Shopee as long as you reach the minimum spending limit. So, if you want more videos like this, don't forget to like and comment sa baba kung ano pa mga affiliate Shopee product gusto mong pagawan sa akin. Yun lang. See you in my next video. Let's go!